Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can change the design or how you can change the colors of your site in Mobirise. So let's start. First, what you need to do is go here and so click to sites, and you're gonna here edit site styles. Click on it, and now you have options to colors. You're gonna have like primary here, and you can change the primary and you can see what is going to change, or you're gonna have like buttons and you can see like everything is blue. Then when you're gonna have like links here, it's going to be different if you have links and stuff like that. So this is how you can change the style. And how you can change the actual colors is when you go here to settings, and you can change the colors on each of those like header or footer and stuff like that, and change the background of everything. So that's pretty much it, and this is how you can do it. And let's say that I want to like change the background color to go like this one here, and you can see it's a little bit of the difference between the segments. So this is how you can change colors and how you can change the style of the site in Mobirise. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.